Hi everyone, we're Schaefer Inspection Service, and we've been inspecting homes across Connecticut for over 45 years. Today we're out educating Connecticut residents on what should and shouldn't be flushed down your toilets that can impact your sewer and septic pipes. Did you know that flushable wipes and anything other than toilet paper should not go down your toilet? We are asking folks to vote yes or no on some common flushed items on what should and shouldn't be put down the toilet. Let's see. I'm going to show you pictures of items that are commonly flushed down the toilet. And you're going to pick up an X or a check mark whether or not it can or can't go down the toilet. Tampons, correct. They should not go down the toilet. Also, no. Exactly. All right. I'll clog your pipes, so you don't want to flush those, even though they say flushable. They don't decompose. Also, no. And toilet paper. They're cracked. They can break up the pipes in your garbage disposal.
Oh, no. Good to know.
Good to know. Show you a picture, and then you can hold up the check or the X whether you think it should go down the pipes or not.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I don't advise against it, but I would say yes.
So actually, we would say no.
Okay.
How about tampons or feminine products? Yes, definitely a no. Okay, so because they're synthetic wipes, they aren't decomposable, so we would also say no.
Right, they should change the name, but okay.
Yeah, I know, it's a trick.
Misleading.
All right, what about eggshells? That's a yes.
Oh, forgive me.
Yep, the no, exactly. Definitely not the eggshells down there. All right, Oliver, exactly. Can you flush paper towels? Correct. Can you flush feminine products? Can you flush makeup remover? Correct. Okay. Can you flush flushable wipes? Good job! And then this is for your garbage disposal. Can you put eggshells down the garbage disposal? No. So it can actually eat up your garbage disposal. So you don't want to do that. All right? Perfect. Thanks so much.
Yes.
Amazing.
I was always told no.
Correct.
All right.
Good job.
No.
Correct.
I want to say no.
Good job.
All right.
You got it.
Go.
100%.
Sweet.
Thanks
you.
so much.
No worries.
You're a plumber, so you should know what should and shouldn't go down the pipes.
Yes.
Why not?
They're really thick, and along with baby wipes, they cause a lot of clogs and large drains. So, a lot of times, honestly, it still creates issues, especially in old houses with metal pipes, metal drain pipes that catch on with the metal deposits that build up inside the pipe and then cause blockages, which create bigger issues. Even in regular commercial toilets, I get constant calls from bars in Fairfield that need the product taken out. They're actually lighter, but I highly wouldn't recommend it. That's all I can say.
So still no.
Yes. No.
Eggshells.
Small amounts, like 1 or 2, no more. Otherwise, it builds up in the drain down below. We'll go 50-50.
Thanks, Sean. That was very helpful.
One more thing I would say is also grease. Throw it in your garbage or anywhere outside besides, because they're old pipes and they'll prevent major damage from happening.
And what should people do to make sure that they are keeping their drain pipes clear?
Just once every 5 years, get a camera inspection within the long run.
Hire Schaefer Inspection Service for a sewer scope.
Yes.